Hi, welcome to another Clear Natural Spas video. This is an LX29-1 with a grey cabinet and pearl shadow shell. Okay, quick look around the spa. Got a lounge position, foot jets, leg jets, running up the back to a padded headrest. Moving around the spa, seats, corner seat. The corner seat has thigh jets, it has hand jets, two main jets at the back, and reverse moulding, which is very important on this one, which gives us shoulder jets and neck jets, and of course that lovely curved headrest. Moving round, waterfall, which is currently off, and another padded headrest with 5 jets in the other corner seat. And running round to the filter housing. Okay, so this is a single pump spa, one big pump, 2 speeds. It's on slow speed at the moment. I'm going to turn it on to high speed so we can see what's happening nice and easily. So, okay, on just high speed, lounge position. Okay, we have air control, which we can add venturied air. If we look at the seat here, twist the air control, 3 seconds, and so the air coming out, which increases the massage effect. Also got air controls here, which do this seat and the lounge position. So another air control here to set the volcano jet. Just to demonstrate that, we have a diverter, power diverter, which is really important. So we can take the power from around the spa generally, put that into the central volcano and foot jets, and the air control adds air in to increase pressure. Okay, just putting this diverter back now, the rest of the spa. Waterfall at the back, which is controlled. Nice different digital controls, nice and simple temperature control. Showing the speed it's running at. Also have the lighting. Just turn that down. It's quite a bright day today. You can see that we've got colour changing light, which actually illuminates the whole of the tub when the lighting's a bit darker. Okay, great little spa, big 208 by 208. Comes complete with cover. Just fold the cover down. We can have a look at the design of the cover. Very thick cover on these. Got continuous heat seal, which runs through, which is this section here, and then just flip the cover over. Lovely grey mottle effect. This one is fitted with a cover lifter as well. Okay, if you'd like any more information about this great spa, give us a call on 01684 276 555 or visit cns.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Okay, a quick upgrade video. We've added some more lighting to this tub. You can see all 4 corners have the corner accent lighting. We've also illuminated all of the diverter controls around the tub. It all runs through in time with the light in the bottom from the footwell, and also the grab handle.